Today we will learn expanded form and standard form of 6-digit number. So for that, let's write a 6-digit number. 3, 2, 9, 4, 5, 7. We can see this is a 6-digit number. Now let's write its places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this is lakhs. So this is lakhs period, 3 is in lakhs period, 29 is in thousands period, and 457 is in ones period. Now we will expand this number. Okay. So 3 lakh. So 3 times 1 lakh plus 2 10,000. 2 times 10,000 plus 9,000. So 9 times 1,000 plus 400. 4 times 100 plus 5 is in tens place. So 5 times 10 plus 7 ones. 7 is in ones place. 7 times 1. Now we will multiply this number. So 3 times 1 lakh is 3 lakh plus 2 times 10,000 is 20,000 plus 9 times 1,000 is 9,000 plus 4 times 100 is 400 plus 5 times 10 is 50 plus 7 times 1 is 7. So this is the expanded form of 3,29,457. So we write this number in the expanded form as 3 lakh plus 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 7. This is the expanded form. Now let's add this number. 3 lakh 20,000, 9,000, 400, 50 and 7. If we add this number, let's see what we get. 5, 4, 9, 2, 3. So we again return back to the standard form of the number. So from the expanded form, if we add the expanded form, again we return back to the standard form of the number. The standard form is also known as the compact form or the short form of the number. So now we know how we get the standard form and how to do the expanded form. I hope this video is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.